Landen. I'm the CEO and founder of Blue Wireless. We're a virtual network operator based in Singapore with service in 16 countries. And we've been active for about 2 years now. So what makes us different? I mean, we're not a traditional MVNO that sells SIM cards and tablets, phones to end users, but we actually connect branches. So this is a new segment where connecting branch connectivity, so WAN connectivity for enterprise customers, which is booming because people want faster connectivity, more flexible, and this is a way to using SIM cards and using the networks from the operators to connect customers quickly. Yeah, so one of the new projects, of course, one is expansion. So today we're in 16 countries in Asia, but of course we have more and more customers which keep on asking us for more countries, especially Middle East, especially Europe is coming up as well. So I guess that's the next step for us. Yeah. Data consumption, of course, is growing. There's no surprise about that. But I think more and more customers now, they want to make the best of the different options they have available. So we already heard about Wi-Fi offload. That's an old trick, but it's still there. And same for enterprise customers. So it's combining the best of the WAN. Could be fixed, could be wireless, could be Wi-Fi, could be LTE. There's different technologies, and I think for a service provider, the key thing is to bring all those things together and to be network independent in that space. Okay, and the growth for MVNO players is always in segments. So it's knowing your customer, knowing your user, and offering something that is more value for your particular segment that you try to serve. So one segment I think which is underserved is enterprises, businesses which need have different requirements. It's not about the cheapest price, it's different elements they're looking for. Service levels, guarantees, support, those type of things are essential. So as an MVNO, this is one segment that I'm sure there's going to be more companies moving into. But the key thing is adding value for your customers. Good. Well, Asia is a region for opportunities for many businesses, of course, because 2/3 of the world is living in Asia. But apart that, I mean, for MVNOs, I mean, Asia is traditionally a mobile-first continent, right? I mean, more people have phones than landlines, which I'm sure is no surprise. Is leading in the way in 4G implementation, but also a lot of leapfrogging. So customers, the first kind of mobile phone they experienced was a 4G phone. So that creates, from a technology point, a lot of opportunities. The other thing is, of course, Asia is much more widespread than Europe. So Europe is quite compact, quite regulated, quite easy to tackle, so to speak. Whereas Asia is anything from Japan to India to New Zealand. These are very, very different countries and geographies. I mean, events, there's always a lot of things you heard before, but there's new things, new nuggets that you pick up, and I think here there's a wide variety of different suppliers and technology companies. So always look on the lookout for new things to implement and to incorporate in our services, and help to kind of share a little bit about what we're doing, and maybe people can learn from that. Why would you attend this conference? I think it's really about learning, expanding, seeing different examples. Yes, there's a lot of technology which is on display, a lot of service providers, but the key thing for an MVNO to be successful is to know your customer, and there's a lot of inspiration you can get from here.